talk with a French accent, it's good. I'm not elected in France, I cannot do. It's a very high level of quality with both fat and meat very well balanced. But what is very interesting also to adapt to Chinese consumers, they have been developing the classical roll we are using in hot pot. And in fact, we take the recipe from China and adapt it with the local suppliers with the meat coming directly from France. Frozen article is a very strong development in China. It's a double-digit growth because more and more consumers want to have certainty of the quality chain. And frozen is ideal for this. And that's why we've dramatically increased the space for frozen here.